So this is to ask a question of people out there. So hopefully you can respond with a comment to tell me what you think. And what it is I'm thinking about doing some more work as man woman myth in the near future, because I've recovered from injury enough that I want to be busy doing something. So I might try and do more video documentary work. So the thing is, I don't know what area to cover, what topics to address. So what I'm asking people is there some area to do with the treatment of men and women in society that I could look at maybe? There's some topics, there's something going on in the news, something that I could look at that I haven't covered before maybe, or maybe I could look at it again. So if there's any ideas you have about the treatment of men and women in society that I could look at in new work, it would be good to have a little bit of feedback. So let me know please. Thank you.